Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this foldable portable keyboard that this brand sent to me for the video. As you can see over here, it comes in this tiny case, this leather case over here, so you can take it with you on the go everywhere. And I tried it already with my tablet. I tried it with my Chromebook as well. I didn't try it with my laptop, but I know that this one works for laptop as well as PCs and everything that has a Bluetooth connectivity, because this one you can connect it even to your phone. So we're gonna try it today with my phone. I'm gonna show it to you in a few seconds. But as I was telling you before, in this tiny case, it comes a full-size keyboard, and you're not gonna believe it, but also comes with a mouse pad over here. This trackpad over here is also for you to use the arrow key, the pointer. So you can see how tiny this one is. You can see how thin it is as well, and how portable this one is. It is really portable, and it comes with right here kind of like a silicone rubber pad. So when you open it up, it's not gonna move when you put it kind of like on top of your desk or something like that. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but some other good things about this case is that right here on the back, it comes with a stand, so you can actually use this one for your phone, for your tablet, while you're typing. So I'm gonna stop talking right now and let's jump on the act. So the good thing about this one is once that you open it up, as soon as you open it up, it's gonna enter in pairing mode. So you're gonna pair with your phone right away, with your tablet, with your iPad, with your laptop, whatever you want. But also this one supports multi-device connection, meaning that you can actually put this one on your phone and also on your tablet. So if you're working on your laptop or your tablet and someone is sending you a message or something like that, you're gonna jump right away into the action with this one. You can see, again, one more time, it comes with every function that you need from a regular laptop or regular keyboard actually. And you can see the multi-function over here, the multi-connectivity for 1 Bluetooth, 2 Bluetooth, 3 Bluetooth. So you can actually connect 3 devices with the same keyboard. And of course, the trackpad over here for the pointer. You can see one more time with this silicone pads over here as well. Once that you open it up and it's fully charged, by the way, you charge it with a USB-C, you're gonna see this one right away. So we have the title over there. So we're gonna enter the test title. And then you can see that right away you have the test title over here. I want to start typing right here as well. By the way, super smooth. So test text, I'm going to actually turn off the caps. So you can see turn it off the caps, and you can actually delete. So that was my mistake. Actually, you can actually delete. And that's it. So you're not going to have any issues with this one. As you can see over here, super responsive. And of course, it has many other functions. And when you're done, that's it. So I like this keyboard, super reliable, super convenient, really portable, lightweight, and with the multi-connectivity, and of course the trackpad, it could be a really nice one for you to have. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.